Hey guys, what is up? Rebranding the channel. I'm gonna start making auto vlogs on here for stuff that I did to my Honda Civic. I've got a new 2020 Civic Sport hatch. Um, I had a 2017 and I traded that out for this 2020 because I'm kind of older and I had a manual on the 2017 and this is automatic. So parts stuff you'll see parts and updates to this vehicle as I go along. And today we're going to do the air filter change on the car. Actually, I'm going to show you how to do filter changes on the air filter and the cabin filter at the same time. So stay tuned and here we go. Now you see you have four bolts, screws. Well, they're actually both, so you can use either a Phillips head screwdriver or a wrench. Well, not a wrench, but you need a socket to get down in these holes here. So I've actually got a Phillips head screwdriver. Got four of them right here. So you want to start. Make sure you have a thick enough head on this screwdriver to actually get in those holes, because if the head's too small, you can actually strip these out really easily. Almost did that in my old car. You want to make sure they're all the way. You push it all the way down in there when you start unscrewing these, because if you don't and you're right at the top, you can actually strip these out real easily that way. So you push in and then start unscrewing. And these will actually not come out because they shouldn't come out. If they do come out, you have issues, but these are only supposed to come out of the bottom section of the air filter housing and not the top, because they're actually sectioned off that way. Make sure that's not going away. There we go. And that pops right up like that. And your air filter's under there. Just pulls right out. And look down in there and make sure there's no debris and stuff underneath it. You can see mine's still relatively clean because this car's only got like 1,700 miles. I'll switch it to a K&N air filter. Anyway, you pull that out. Your new air filter will either look exactly like that, and you'll just replace it with that, or you can have an aftermarket air filter in the stock housing, which is what I'm doing. So here I have the K&N filter replacement for this car. Just slaps right back in there, the same as the other one. Just like that. Make sure everything's lined up correctly. Put your filter housing back on the top. Start getting these screws back down in there. Be careful not to pull this up too hard, because you have this cable for the MAF sensor right there. You don't want to rip any of that, or you're going to be paying a nice penny to get it replaced or rewired. Or maybe you do it yourself. Either way. Make sure all four of these are back down nice and snug. There you go. You replace your actual engine air filter. Now we'll go on to the cabin air filter. This is one of the simplest ones to actually do yourself. All you really got to do is open the glove box. There's 2 tabs on either side at the top here. You just push in, drop it down, and it'll be clipped on the bottom section on both sides. You got to make sure that you put it outward. You don't want to break any of those tabs, so you just drop this down in here. You can see, so this piece right here, the tab across the edge here, there's tabs on both, or there's a thing that says up. You know, you see airflow is below it, airflow, blah, blah, blah. This one goes up. So there's 2 tabs on both sides. You're going to push on the ends of those tabs and pull out. And this little tab, you see airflow. Airflow down. Pull it out. Your filter's right there. All you got to do is slide that sucker right on out. And there you go. This one's actually kind of dirty already. It's only got 700 miles. Crazy. That's Arizona for you, though. So anyway, you get your new one. Just put it right up in there. Make sure you got your airflow aligned with the same as your piece here. So when you put it back on, it says airflow down. I had to say airflow down as well. So just put it in there, line it up, slide it right back in. It should slide right back in. Pull your tab up, make sure it says airflow down. Slide it back up in here. Line it up with the hole. Sorry, my head's in the way. And the tabs will clip right back in. Make sure you push both sides. Make sure the tabs are completely clicked back in. Pick up your glove box. The bottom pieces you want to slide back onto the clips at the bottom. Make sure both of them are lined up there. Push everything back up on the sides here. Make sure your tabs are lined up. Make your glove box doesn't fall down again. Make sure your glove box closes all the way and you're done. Hey guys, so that's the install on air filters. Yeah, this is a different day than I'm finishing this video, but yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on these videos. I'm going to try and make I'm going to make more videos of installs on this car as I go along, and just stay tuned for stuff like that. Okay, see you later.